Alright, hello guys. Today I will show you how to extract output data from Abaqus Viewer to another software. Alright, so I will use a module that we built together in another video called model.cae. So this was a simple structure, a 1D structure that is subjected to compression. So let's remind ourselves about the result. Here we have the deformed buckle shape of the structure. Alright, so what we want to do is to plot the deformed shape and extract the values so we can plot them in another software like Excel, for example. First we need to create the path, but in order to create the path we need to have the list of all the nodes along the structure. So we will go to Mesh, View, Assembly, Mesh again, and here we will ask Abaqus to show node labels. Okay, notice here we have all the node labels. So if we zoom to the left, notice here we start node number 3, alright, then node number 184, and here we have a decrement of -1 from 184 to 183, 182, etc., etc., until we reach 180, 127, 126, 125. Alright, so we will pick these nodes later. Alright, we will not pick the nodes 7, 6, etc., etc. Now when we arrive at the middle here, if we zoom a little, we can see that here we have, notice, node number 4. Alright, so we will pick the middle as being the node number 4. Then we will pick, for example, node number 65, 66, 67. Donc here it's an increment of +1, etc., etc., until the last part here, that is 123. Alright, and the last node on the right, it will be 5. So we will go to Job, Tools, Path, Create. Node, continue, and here we will note these nodes. So we will start at the upper left, so we will start at node number 3. Then we will pick now a series of nodes starting node number 184 to 125. So here 2 points between both, 2 points again, and here the increment is -1. Alright, then we continue, comma. Now we will pick the middle point or the middle node, that is node number 4, comma again. Now we will pick the right nodes, so here we have another series from 65 to 123. Here the increment is +1, comma, and the final node number 5. Enter. Here we notice the path in red. Okay, so that was the hardest part. Now to plot or to save the XY data, we click XY data. The source will be our path. Continue. Here we need the field output to be the displacement U2. Okay, save as, let's call it U2 deformed. Okay, so we go to XY data, we double click on U2 deformed, and we get the deformed shape. Now if you want to extract the XY data, right click, edit, then we select, and we slide